Gucci shit that's a rock. Got me pissy, drop the top, doing 60, the block is hot. Full of biggies, bark, you with chicky and your whole flock. Full of sissies, got the Glock in my dickies, you getting pop like you Biggie, man. Got through them gauges, I go so hard. In the A's, tryna start something heinous. I pull your car like some aces, grip the waters, sustainers, you getting God. But the greatest in the Dodge, you on races, I'm tryna dodge all these cases, man. Guap every day, ho, I put your boss on the payroll, tryna rock with my label, they put the job to your ego to a thought I'm a favorable liquor cop. When it ain't, you better walk out the way, ho, unless you talk about some peso, man. Criminalistic, it's on the rise, fuck the critics, all my niggas is wicked, you either die or get with it. This shit gimmick, get kick it, we in the ride, bumpin' snippets, dropping hits with my niggas, we in the pit, jumpin' bitches, man.
If I take it, but if it's there, I'm high, like a square, free to sustain, there's no contain, my fucking man, thinking I can get out, but it's truck, fucking on my brothers, clock a blow from your mother, sucker high as I'm. If I take it, but if it's there, I'm high, like a square, free to sustain, there's no contain, my fucking man, thinking I can get out, but it's truck, fucking on my brothers, clock a blow from your mother, sucker high as I'm.
Criminalistic, it's on the rise, fuck the critics. Criminalistic, it's on the rise, fuck the critics. Criminalistic, it's on the rise, fuck the critics. Dropping hits with my niggas, we in the pit, jumping bitches, man.
Vision so eerily clear now. Strong contacts and I just spit facts, so they all want more of me here now. They love core when it's real loud. Minimum talk when I beat out. Not everyday catch and jam, though your boys got plans and I don't need features. Stop belling my phone if it ain't family business, Uber or the plug. Stop telling my dons cause we stay family through this music or the shots. I make tunes and your boy makes chunks. I spit flames and your boy talks flums. We had days in the rough, now the rough turns smooth in the rust and it feels so good. SPR running through my bloodline from time I've been the illest, just they never notice. Close ear to the tech, man's overly blessed, upgrade, man stays in the focus. Back then it was reason with no real reason, these days I spray to get over. Back then I was making beats for the world and the world said, rough get colder. So I got colder, late folks and the beats got older. Bad YouTube vids got watched and I mean non-stop to the vibe got molded. Deep down in the PC folders, sounded the up next soldier. Had times when the dome felt overly gone, but the fire still burns in the moment. Trust.
No way that I can't stop. The fire burns deep in my core. My eyes, they don't know fear. Too high for your fake tears.
Slow down, just wait. What cannot be rushed is great. Not everyday work and sleep, and a mind must breathe, so I bun this eighth. Them man caught in the race, me or mine switched up lanes. I celebrate life when it seems so right, so I adjust my party again. Start smelling my bum for a feature, music, collab, or the above. I'm never in touch if you're outside, inside, or near me at the club. We show up and the crowd show love. Stay like flexing a bit, so what? Mad hard work is deserved, but I've got more work to be done and it feels so good. It's been win after win after win. Niggas never done it like we did. Top tier bright, man's been here writing. I got bars for the shubs and ting. Just stay over there, way over there. I ain't got time to be talking breeze. See me, I got options, stop them, no ups, cause I got respect, G. Blacked out windows, tall doors sliding, 3 shows in a row, call what's next. Gassed up in low, but core surviving, freed up in the dome, call what's next. Fact check me, I don't take L's much. Me and Kaz got a dream, by any means must. Aim for the peak, high, many trees bun. Hold back on the beat, don't really need one.
No way that I can't stop. The fire burns deep in my core. My eyes, they don't know fear.